YouTube. Hope you guys are having a wonderful, wonderful day. Thank you guys for spending the time with me. Today, I am going to take care of the morning chores. We're gonna be real quick. Feed the babies, feed the dog, and open the babies up. Maybe feed the chickens too. So, I have my bottle of milk ready. Or hungry as always, and the babies are calling me. It is a beautiful overcast day today, and cannot complain of this beautiful day. That is Pulley, and this is Diego. All right, let's see if I can juggle both the bottles in my hand and feed them. Hold on, guys, hold on. I think I got it. He is so fast. Such a fast drinker. Diego is our farm's a new buck. We get a new buck every few years. So we have a new bloodline. Hey Thor. And I try to feed them through the fence, just so they don't jump on me when they're drinking. They are little, but they're strong. So I try to keep them on the other side of the fence when I'm feeding them, and then I open them up. Even in the evening, I just feed them through the fence. He is done. You're getting faster. Almost there. Diego is 2 weeks older than her. Still. Oh. Yeah, she left a little bit. Not much. Okay. I'm going to throw the bottles on the other side. So the dogs don't chew them up. All the chickens are waiting. The goats had the breakfast this morning because they were open. Usually I lock them up in the night, but right now it's been raining so much. So I try to keep them open so they can eat as early as possible and in between the rain showers. So we're supposed to get some rain today, and I just wanted them to get eating before that happens. So next thing is feeding Thor. Thor over here is my skinny doodle. He is such a hardworking dog. He patrols this property so diligently. And we have his brother somewhere relaxing. But yeah, so let's go get him some food. A little kibble. All right. There's a candle. The chickens are waiting for some food too. Come on, chickies. Those are all the new chicks. They are not adults yet. These are the adult chickens. So those boss ladies are keeping them away. I'm gonna throw some more on the other side so they can get to it. Come on, chickies. You can see that this chicken over here is a Moran. You saw the feathered feet. Actually, both of them have feathered feet. So, probably hoping to get some dark eggs from them. And this bird and that bird are the Easter eggers. I'll spray him with fly spray this morning. Spray him. He hates this, but he needs it. This is fine for me, and they bite him a lot. He hates it. Sorry, buddy. it. On this side, so I can spray on this side. Hopefully the flies bother him. Alright, let's go. All the babies are eating. Come on, Thor, let's go. Let's open the babies up. Come on, babies. Alright. Come on, Diego. Come on, Holly. Let's go. Hurry up. Hi, Elsa. How are you? This is Elsa, another bottle baby from a few years ago, and she is so jealous and jealous of all these other babies. So she is going to keep them away from me. Ew, you're spray on you. I can't pet you right now. No jumping, Diego. No jumping. No jumping, Diego. No jumping. No jumping. No. Okay, let me go. Teaching them not to jump because he's gonna stay here for a long time, and you don't want a bug to jump on you when they're older because they are big. You can see this guy. He's not a bottle baby, and he keeps his distance, and that's what I like. I actually prefer dam raised or mother raised boy goats for breeding bugs because they don't come too close to me, and I like that. Stop. I think that's all there is. Oh, there's Loki. Only one thing remaining is to collect the eggs, and Diego, stop it. Okay, that's what he's doing. He's jumping. No, and no. And this is why I feed them through the fence, because they can't stand and wait for the bottle or anything. They're just too impatient. Feeding them through the fence allows me to feed it to them. No jumping on me. That's Loki relaxing in the morning. And Diego, stop it. And that's Jolly. Not sure why she's inside, but I'll check on her later today. And I have a bunch of eggs to collect, and I can't do that with my camera and without a basket. So I have to go get a basket. In winters, I just keep it in my pocket, my jacket pocket, but today I don't have a jacket on, so because it's a beautiful spring day. All right, Diego. All right, YouTubers, hopefully you guys are having an amazing day. If not, I hope this video enlightened your day and you enjoyed it. I'm hoping to make some more farm-based content of my daily chores. I enjoy watching my animals a lot, but I have to go back to work. So all right, you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon. Thank you for watching.